Hey guys, I'm here. Hold on. Hey guys, I'm here with a new look. I did this really colorful look for you guys today. Using two different palettes actually, one for each eye. On one eye, I used the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and on the other, I used the Morphe 35B. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this very cute look for you guys, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk and just put that all over my eyelid and then blend it out with my finger. I actually prefer the Jumbo pencil over the base itself because the base is kind of oily to me. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, it's a little oily, and the pencil is more matte. So on my right, your left, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. So first I'm going to take this yellow shade. Pretty much everything I'm doing for the eyes is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you watch. So once I've got everything blended together, I'm going to apply some lashes. I would recommend using a clear lash glue for looks like this because I didn't apply eyeliner. So you definitely don't want to mess up your eye by getting black lash glue on there. So this was the 35B palette, and sorry it's all dirty, but so yeah. So for this eye, we're gonna use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It looks like this. So I just realized I forgot to take off my scarf from around my neck because it was on my hair. Alright, so this is how both eyes turned out. They literally almost look identical, except for with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, that orange is a little bit more peachy, so it's not as pigmented, but they are both cute. So if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and leave me some feedback, and I will be back soon.